Okay guys, today we are making this super simple strawberry syrup. It only uses 3 ingredients and it is very simple to make on our stovetop. It is the perfect topping for pancakes, waffles, French toast, ice cream. It's the perfect addition to lemonade and even milk to make a strawberry milk. It is gluten-free, nut-free, eggless, and can easily be vegan. So come on, let's make it. First, we're going to take our strawberries, granulated sugar, and orange juice, mix them together and set over medium heat. We're going to bring it to a boil, smashing the strawberries down, and then let simmer for about 15 minutes. Pour through a mesh colander or a sieve until we have a nice syrup, and that is it. I hope you guys love it as much as we do. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching. You can find the complete recipe with step-by-step photos on the blog Lean and Gray Fare, which I have linked below. And for more decadent gluten-free, nut-free, and egg-free recipes, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more recipe videos just like this one, make sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss a single recipe. Thanks so much.